All right, just a quick video. I already did the install. I wanted to make an install video, but it took me all of 20 minutes to install. So I'm a big rear light guy. I like to be seen from behind. I don't want to get rear-ended. First, I've only been riding for 2 years, and that's my biggest fear, is getting rear-ended by some idiot at a light or whatever. It's happened many times in my cars, so I'm just trying not to let it happen on my bike. So just wanted to make a video, show you the setup that I got on the back, because I haven't seen that many custom dynamic setups that are this in depth. So this is the light that I just added. It is the Airwing Tour Pack light. The one that goes down here I really like the looks of, but the smoked one is sold out everywhere. You can't get it. You can't get it from Avid, you can't get it from Harley, Custom Dynamics, sold out everywhere. So I opted to get this one. Then on the STs, this is the factory LED brake light with 1156 single filament turn signals. So, and then I added the slim bag lights also, but I added the triple play module just to make everything. The triple play module makes the turn signals, turns them into running lights, but also adds the strobe effect. So I just like that feature on this bike. And then when the turn signals turn on, or the hazards, the third brake light, top light, tour pack light, whatever you want to call it, flashes with the center tail light, while these still are turn signals. So let me get the camera set up, kinda. I'll let you see. It isn't gonna do it justice at all. So hopefully y'all get an idea if I can get this camera to sit up. I'm gonna fail you guys horribly. All right, that's good. No, it's not. So, geez. Go ahead and give me a thumbs down for this. I don't care. That's good enough. You can see it. So as you can see, just the running lights, they flash when they first come on. I don't know if you can hear me. But let me run through some stuff. Maybe do some hand signals maybe, but you can see the third brake light up top is nice and bright. It's eye level, so it's perfect. So hopefully y'all got a pretty good idea. So that triple play does turn those regular turn signals into running lights and turn signals also, which I absolutely love. It adds a resistor to them. And then I believe there's 7 different settings that you can use. I like that one because it's not too obnoxious, but it still catches your attention. You got the X flash, which is just crazy bright. Just random flashes 24/7. Not too much of a fan of that, but it's, like I said, custom dynamics, everything. Definitely the way to go. Tour pack light, saddlebag thin strips, turn signals. They're awesome. Stupid bright with the triple play module for my 22 Road Glide ST. Hopefully y'all like this video. Just trying to show people options on YouTube so they get an idea of how to set up their bike, because when I was doing all this, it was really bare bones. Not a lot of people were doing the newer stuff that they came out with. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and see y'all later.